Welcome to Right Life Draw. In this particular segment, we are going to do this beautiful drawing. This is very important and holds a special place in my heart out of the many, many boards of art that I do and that I work on, whether it's my own art or someone else's. Pardon the loud background noise, but I'm in a cafe and there's a lot of people here today on a fine Sunday morning. The sun's up, the clouds are dispersing, so let's get to it. All right, so this drawing was actually done first and foremost in blue pencil, as I'm sure you can tell in the camera view. And if you can notice here the signature, I think well authorized by this gentleman to give his name out. He is a fantastic comic book artist, penciler, lives in New York City, and his name is Carlos Franco. So, Mr. Franco, Los as I call him, I'll explain why I have this here in a minute, but he did this for me. It was a commission that I, asked of him. And also, by the way, in case you're wondering, I use these elastic bands, rubber bands, the long ones, to hold the board in place. Or sometimes I'll do this. I'll take a piece of the blue painter's tape, maybe two pieces. And actually, let me do that now. Let me see. Let me try a little bit here. Tape it down to the board. And then I will actually, it's a lot easier. It could always strip the paper here, but you just have to lift it up very gently. So I'm going to take this off. This is sort of like the process of what I go through to ink, especially someone else's work that I find so very beautiful and delicate. I think by now some of you might be able to tell that this is a character from, I can't look it up right now, but that animated film. What is the name of the character? Uh, what was the name of the character? Oh my goodness. Just when I need the my knowledge of cartoons to kick in, it does not work. All right, so we're gonna paste, sort of tape this down. As you can tell, this pencil work requires just a fine number of details. I'd already started this, and I think I had started with a zero point 0.1. I use these Copic multi-liners. They're specifically made, I think, in my opinion. They're Japanese made, obviously. Um, they're disposable, but they're fantastic. They last a long time. The needles are full metal, so they hold up really well. Excuse me. Um, just had a little bite to eat my coffee. Let me take a sip of that. Needless to say, it's that character with the bright red hair, the Scottish girl. Uh, the princess whose mother turns into a giant bear. And my daughter's daughter, my granddaughter, actually had watched that movie and loved the character. And I commissioned this from my friend Carlos Franco, signature at the bottom here, to draw this for me. And he did it in blue pencil, which in a way makes it a lot easier because that way I don't have to scan graphite pencils onto or scan them, put them onto a computer, translate the graphite to blue pencil, and then print out a board and then ink that board. So this is the original drawing, which reminds me, hold on a second. We're going to come back in part two. There's something I forgot to do, folks. And we'll take a pause. 3, 2, 1.